Rebecca deserves to be nominated for the Youth Worker Awards because she's so empathetic and she just really does care about her job and the young people. So like I met Rebecca when I was 17, but she really helped me like understand what youth work is about, and I think it's helped me come along to where I am today. As like her colleague, I feel like I can speak to her about stuff and she'll give me an honest answer.
She's unique in her own way, always bright and that, you know. She's always there, no matter what. She's only a message away.
She encourages you to do stuff that you normally wouldn't usually do.
I love youth work. I went into it from a very young age. I started volunteering quite when I was about 15 in my local youth club. So it has been my life. It has led me to be who I am now. And I just love the experiences with young people, the laughs, the jokes, the sad times as well, and knowing that you can help get them through that other side of it. But yeah, it just means everything to me.